What to do during difficult times. For your well-being now, more than ever, allow and give yourself time, space, and permission to feel and process all of your emotions. It's not just me, or only you, we all constantly listen to news. We must limit consumption of news, because they generate uncertainty, negative thoughts, fear, anxiety and worry. Let things unfold on their own pace. Don't get trapped into one perspective. Set some time and take a break. Intentionally disconnect from the digital world. Dedicate some time for self-awareness, self-care, and self-compassion. I started doing 3 things, which I was not able to do before, and they bring me joy. You can tackle an unfinished project, go back to your hobby, build a new skill or habit, organize your digital data, or whatever that brings you joy and is meaningful for you. Listen to your favorite music and create new playlist of nostalgic and uplifting songs. As you are washing your hands more than ever, don't forget to moisturize with your favorite moisturizer. Check your bookshelf and read the books you haven't read yet, or reread the captivating book you enjoyed. Take time to wonder about the beauty of what you have and your belongings. Enjoy the special china you have not been using. Prepare your favorite comfort meal, or try a new recipe. Savor every bite and indulge into flavors. Get out of your head and take care of your body by exercising. Produce some endorphins to feel good. Please share and subscribe.